Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Audi A3's oil filter. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a 27mm socket, a torque wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have a new oil filter and the correct type of fresh engine oil. Always work on a level surface and allow your engine to cool down completely before starting for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient process. Now let's drain the old engine oil. Safely raise your vehicle or access the underside. Locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 19mm bolt. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the plug and let all the used oil flow out completely. This step is crucial for ensuring your engine receives only fresh, clean lubrication. Be patient and allow ample time for full drainage. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the oil filter housing, typically on top of the engine. Use your 27mm socket to carefully remove the housing cap. Take out the old filter and its O-rings, paying attention to their placement. Install the new filter and fresh O-rings, ensuring they are correctly seated for a proper seal. This step is vital for clean oil circulation. Finally, let's refill and perform the crucial final checks. Reinstall the drain plug with a new washer, tightening it to 30 Newton meters. Now, add the recommended amount of new engine oil, usually around 4½ liters, through the filler cap. Start your engine, let it run for a few minutes, then shut it off. Check for any leaks and verify the oil level on the dipstick. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.